Hey Dekoni fans! Today, we're going to show you how to install your earpads for the Meze Lyric. The first step is to remove the earpads. These earpads are attached with adhesive, so you will pull away from the ear cup. Please note that removing the old earpads might destroy the earpads and their adhesive. The Dekoni audio earpads do not use the flow system, although the adhesive does have holes for them. You will still need to match the adhesive holes with the holes on the ear cup. Now, grab your new Dekoni audio earpads and remove them from the box. Pull back the red cover to reveal the adhesive. Take your time with this step as to not remove the adhesive from the earpad. Please take note of the stitching seam, which should be pointing towards the bottom of the ear cup when you install the earpad. Line up the earpad with the ear cup and press firmly against the earpad to have the adhesive adhere to the ear cup. Press around all edges of the earpad to make sure the adhesive is sealed completely. Repeat this step once more, and a reminder to take your time with the red VHB tape. And there you have it. That's how you install your Dekoni audio earpads for the Meze Lyric. Thanks for watching.